Hello student, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to start chapter number 9 of grammar, and the name of chapter is articles. Student, you all knows about the article because from the lower classes onwards we are studying the same chapter article. So without going in any deep information, let's begin the chapter. Chapter number 9, articles. The articles in English are the defined article the and the indefined article a and an. See, in English there are two types of article, defined and undefined. Defined article we use the. The is used as an defined article, and for the indefined article we use a and an. Article occurs before the noun. That tells us whether the reference of a noun is specified or not. See, and in the sentence, article always occurs before the noun. In a sentence, we use a, an, or the before noun. And to show that whether the reference of a noun is specified or not, means it is known or unknown. Okay, say for example, a magician. Magician, we used as an undefined article. See, because the speaker doesn't know which one magician we are talking about. Okay, but the magician, here it is specified because the is used for a defined article, and we know, or the speaker knows which one magician, a particular one magician he is talking about. Okay, so that is specified and not specified. A and an as an indefined article, and the as an defined article. See, consider the use of article in the following sentence. By the example we will see. A gardener and a cook were traveling on the train. Here, a gardener and a cook. Here, article a, that is indefined article, means the speaker doesn't know which one gardener and which one cook. Okay, there are many, from that anyone can be. But in the second sentence, the gardener said to the cook. The gardener said hello to the cook. Here, the is used as a defined article. Now the speaker knows the gardener and the cook, both of who are on a same train. We are talking about that one, that two persons. Okay, so it is a specified or defined article. See, the defined article the indefined articles a and an are used only before singular countable nouns. The defined article the can occur before both singular and plural countable as well as before uncountable noun. See, we use a and the only before singular countable noun. If it is countable noun, then only, and that is also if it is a singular countable noun. If it is a plural countable noun, we use the. But if it is a singular countable noun, we use a or an before them. But the defined article the is used for both singular and plural countable as well as uncountable noun. Okay, what if the noun is countable or uncountable, or if it is singular or plural, but we can use the before them. There are the rules for using the. We'll see further. See, a nurse and egg. Here it is singular singular countable noun. You can count one nurse, two nurse, one egg, two egg, and it is a singular one. So with the singular countable noun we use a and an, but nurses and eggs, no. With plural countable nouns we don't use a and n. A milk, an ice cream, that is with uncountable noun. We don't use with singular or plural countable or uncountable noun, we don't use a and an. Article a and an are not used with them. But the nurses, the eggs, the egg or the eggs, okay, with the singular countable noun, with plural countable noun we use the. Okay, see, the milk in the fridge was turned sour. Will somebody remove the ice cream on the board? Here, the milk and the ice cream. We had used article the with uncountable noun. See, the indefined article. Now the choice how to use indefined article, that is a and s. And see, choice between a and an, when we use a article and when we use an article an. See, a and an are actually one article in two forms. They have the same grammatical nature and functions. Okay, see, both are same articles used for one grammatical form. In by the if you see by the grammatical form, both has same function and same nature, can be used for the same functions and same natures. See, but when we use a and when we use the, let's see, use a when the word that follows begins with a consonant sound. See, when the word begins with the consonant sound, not with the consonant word, but the word begins with the consonant sound, we use a. See, a picture, a tasty dessert, a needle, a small ice cream cup, a colorful kite, a large bottle of milk. Here, all the words begins with consonant sound. So we used article a before that noun. Okay, the letters in red makes consonant sounds. Okay, the word begins with the consonant sound. We use article a. See, now use an when the word that follows begins with a vowel sound. Same like that, but now when the word begins with the vowel sound, we use an. When the word begins with consonant sound, a. When the word begins with the vowel sound, we use an. See, an octopus, an intelligent student, an internet endable computer, an early morning flight, an instantly baked cake. Okay, here all the words begins with vowel sound. Okay, not word but sound. So the letters in red makes the vowel sound. We use article n. Okay, when the noun begins with the consonant sound, we use article a. When the noun begins with the vowel sound, we use article n. See, note that the vowels and consonants are sounds, not the letters, so we have. Okay, we has to use the sounds, not the letters. See, example, a unit. Here, sound is of word is of vowel, but still we had used a because the sound is of consonant. Okay, and however, a European city, a L-shaped garden, an MA student, and university student. Okay, here you had seen that though if the word begins with vowel, we had used consonant word a, article a, and though the word begins with consonant, we had used the article n, because we are not seeing the words, we are seeing the sound of the words, sound of the noun. Okay, the use of a and or depends on how the word that falls in spoken and not how it is written. Okay, the uses of article a and n depends on the sound of the words, not how it is written. We are not seeing the spelling or the words, whether it is a vowel or a consonant, but according to the sound we use the article a and an. If it is a vowel sound, we use an. If it is consonant sound, we use a. Now the use of defined article the. Okay, first we had seen indefined article a and an. Now the defined article the. The defined article the indicates that the noun that follows refers to something known to the person and the hearer. See, first we use the for such noun that is known by a listener and a speaker. Okay, in the sentence, if the noun is given and if that noun or if it is a particular noun Means if the person, listener and speaker knows them well, we use article the. For example, when someone says that I am going to wash the car, that means the speaker assumes that the hearer knows which car he is talking about. Okay, if I says that I am going to wash the car, that means I know which one car I has to wash. Particular कौन सी गाड़ी मुझे धोनी है वो मुझे पता है. Then we use the. Okay. Contrast this with the I am going to wash a car. Okay, where the speaker or a hearer is not clear which car he will be washed. Okay, when there is a sentence that I am going to wash a car, that means I don't know which one car I has to wash or which one car I am going to wash. मुझे कौन सी धोनी है पता नहीं. Okay, see, use of defined articles. अब one by one we will see. There are many uses or many rules for the one by one. See, first one, we use the to refer to something that has already been mentioned. See, when you are talking something about something and that noun is already mentioned in the beginning of a sentence or in the first sentence, and when we repeat it second time we use the. For example, the cook met a carpenter at the fair. The carpenter called the cook a crook. Okay, see, here the carpenter was already mentioned in the sentence. When we had used it second time, when we want to mention him again, we use the before that noun. Okay, a painter had a black cat. The painter loved the cat very much. The painter, because already we were talking about the painter and his cat, and we had used it again, both of them we use the painter and the cat. Okay, so when we use to refer to something that is already mentioned, okay, we want to refer or talk about the same thing which is already mentioned, we use the before the noun. Second one, the is used when we specify with further discussion that we were talking about. Okay, see, when we are talking about something and we want to say something more about the same thing, or we want to talk or discuss further about the same thing, we use the. See, for example, Sumona brought the box which with a green lid. Okay, so we were talking about box, already we were talking, and we want to describe more about that, so we had used the box. Means now it becomes a particular box we were talking about. Okay, Latif is the man who won yesterday's race. Okay, the man, because we were already talking about Latif, but we had described further about him who won the match, so we used the man. Okay, now third one, the is used when the situation or contents make it clear what is being spoken about. Okay, when the situation or the context is clear, when the context is clear to us, we use the for them. Okay, when the speaker knows that about whom he is speaking particularly, then we use the for them. See, for example, there are 3 mangoes in the fridge. Here the speaker and the listener knows there is a fridge. Okay, they knows that about fridge they are talking. Okay, why don't you turn on the fan? The speaker and listener knows that which one fan he has to turn on. Okay, so when the situation or the context is clear, we use the for them. Fourth one, we use the when we are talking about something that is unique or the only one of its kind. Okay, the thing which is unique or the only one of its kind means there is no any other example of such thing, we use the before them. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the world, the space, the universe. Okay, they are one of its kinds, so we use the with them. Okay, fifth one, we use the with superlative form. So सबसे अच्छा है उसके लिए भी हम the use करते. You know, in degrees we have 3 degrees. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Superlative, with superlative we use the. Okay, Harsh is the most successful tennis player. Okay, the most successful. Superlative. The team 3 completed his round the fastest. The round fastest. Okay, the fastest. Superlative. Okay, so with the superlative degrees we used the. Rule number 6. The is used with the adjectives like first, last, only, solve, etc. Okay, when there is adjectives like first, last, only, solve, we use the. See, for example, the first man to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, the only dinosaur fossils from found in Assam. The soul survives of the plane crash. Okay, so when we want to talk about the adjectives like first, last, only, sol, we use the before them. Seventh one, the is used with the expressions like some of, a few, none of, most of, etc. Okay, with these words or with these expressions we use the. Some of the travelers, a few of the parrots. Okay, none of the student. So with such expressions we use the. Eighth one, the has a generic use of the refers to all the examples of something. Okay, when we want to talk about general when we talk generally about all the things which is one of its kind. Okay, one group, the things of one group we use the for them. See, the lion tailed macaques is a rare monkey. Okay, here the reference to the all lion tailed macaques मीन्स हम जितने भी लायन टेल वाले मंकीज है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो वी आर टॉकिंग जनरली अबाउट ऑल द मंकीज बट विच they are of one kind, that is lion tailed. Okay, so such for the such situations we use the goalkeeper is an important part of the team. Here refers to the goalkeeper in general. Okay, we are talking about the whole team, from that we are talking about the goalkeepers of all the football teams generally. Okay, ninth one, we use the with adjectives to make the nouns. Okay, when we want to make the nouns from the adjectives we use the. For example, the poor. Okay, the poor means we'll come to know the poor people. Okay, the talented one or the talented person, the unknown things or the unknown items. Okay, to make the adjectives we use the with the adjectives to make them as a noun. Okay, 10th one, the is used with the name of some geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges and oceans. Okay, that is also one of its kinds which we don't have any other example of that. Okay, the Sahara Desert, the Nile River, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so these were the rules for what we how we can use article the. Now using no articles or zero articles. Now when we will use, or now we know that when we will use article a, when we use article an, and when we will use article the, but when we will not use any of article. See, using no article or a zero article indicates or defined meaning. The list below tells us when not to use an article. Okay, see, when we are not using any article, that means it is indefined sentence. Okay, and now we'll see one by one and what situations we are not using any kinds of article. See, first one, we use no articles when there are other words like this, that, my, this, another, etc. Okay, when there is such words in the sentence, we don't use any kinds of articles like the sentence like this, that, my, his, another, etc. Okay, his house, my boat, but we cannot say his the house or the his house, my the boat or the my boat. Okay, we cannot use that way. Okay, then second one, no articles is used when we talk about the abstract ideas that are uncountable. Okay, when we are talking about the ideas, abstract ideas, and when they are in uncountable form, we are not using any article. Knowledge is power. The knowledge is up. The power we cannot say. Okay, the children get care and love from their teachers. Here we are talking about the uh, ideas or the emotions. Okay, so with that uncountable abstract ideas, we don't use any kinds of article. Third one, we do not use articles with uncountable noun when we are talking about something in a generally. Okay, when the noun is uncountable and we are talking about any general thing, we don't use any noun. Say for example, do you like music? Here we are talking about general music, not any particular person's music, but generally, do you like the music? Here we don't use any noun because it is uncountable noun, and also we are talking about general. There are many kinds of music or many persons who compose the music. Okay, do you like the music? We cannot say, but we can say, do you like the music of A.R. Rahman? Then it becomes particular. Okay, ask Ajay to buy a rice for the store. Here it is generally we are talking to uh, buy a rice here we are used as in generally. Okay, we cannot write that way, that ask Ajay to buy the rice for the store. Okay, from the store. Here because it is uncountable noun and also we are talking generally to buy. Fourth one, we don't use article when we talk about the things in general using plural nouns. Okay, see same, we are not using a noun when we are talking generally in plural noun also. See, bakers must wear helmets. Bikers must wear helmet. We are talking bikers plural now. Okay, but we are talking generally about all the bikers. Okay, so with this we are not using any kinds of uh, articles. Okay, the bikers must wear the helmet. No, if it is a particular one biker, we use the. Okay, dolphins are wonderful animals. Here we are talking about all the dolphins, not particular one. So we are not using any kinds of article there. Fifth one, no article is used before the people's name. Okay, like Anil, Reshma, or any of the names. Yes, but if it is about any great personality, then we use the. For example, the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. For them we use the because they are the great personalities. Okay, sixth one, we don't use article with sport, academic, subject and games. With these things also we not use any articles. We don't use any article for sport or the academic subjects and games. For example, Roger is good at tennis but terrible at chess. Here we cannot say the Roger is good at the tennis but terrible at the chess. Okay, I like I like physics but not chemistry subjects, academic subjects. Okay, but however it is possible to use the with people name when there are many people of the same names and we are referring to just one of them. Okay, the Anil I told you about, this is the Anil. Okay, when there is a many persons in a class or in your class, if there is two persons or more than two person of a same name, then we could write article the before their name when we are talking about any particular one Anil. Okay, so here we use this where the places or the rules where we don't use any article in fixed expression. See, some common fixed expression contains the article. Okay, some common fixed expressions are there where we use the same articles. All the milk has turned sour. all the milk. Okay, both the carpenters were absent. Get me a few paper clips, please. A lot of water was wasted by the boys. What a thrilling film! A song was such a great hit. Okay, so these are the some of fixed expressions which we use the article, uh, the milk, the carpenter, then give me a few paper clips, then the boys of thrilling, a great hit. Okay, see, some common fixed expression do not contain any article. These are some of the before the sentences in the above sentences we had seen that were some of the common fixed expression where we use such this articles. But there are some fixed expression which we are not using any articles. They are by car, on foot, at work, by train, on holidays, in prison, by air, at school, in bed. Here we are not using any kinds of article. Okay, student. So this was the chapter article. Hope you all understood it. And the exercise part will be sent to you in PDF form. Next chapter we'll see in the next video. Thank you.